Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So for this set, I will be doing a lazy girl method using my Makartt full cover nail tips. And here I am just beginning with some nail prep using my round bit and just taking off that excess cuticle. Because I'm always doing my nails, I use a peel-off base before I do every set. So here I'm just putting on that peel-off base and then curing it for 60 seconds. And here I'm just filing off the plastic at the end of the nail tips and making sure that it's straight as possible. And now I'm taking that same round bit just to buff the inside of the nails so that the tips can adhere to my natural nail better. So here are all the glitters that I'll be using for this set. A red glitter, pink glitter, and also some, is that like multicolor unicorn glitter? And this is like a burgundy red glitter. So how I add the glitter in the nail tips is by placing some base coat, leaving it uncured, and then taking the red glitter, well, each glitter from each container and adding it in the nail tip. So once I was done, I did not like the mixture of the glitter all in one nail. So I decided to do just for each nail one color of glitter. So for the ring finger, I went in with some pink glitter and the unicorn glitter. And then for the pointer finger, I did the same thing. And then also for the pinky, the middle finger and the thumb finger, I used all red. Oh my God, guys, glitter can be so messy. But once I was all done, I went in with my Makartt clear, and it's in a tube. So I just spread it out on top of the glitter to make encapsulate that. And I took my brush to make sure that the clear is all over. And once I was done with all the nails, I cured that for 60 seconds. So because I wanted a ombre look, I'm going in with my Khaki Rose Builder Gel, but it was too light, so I decided to go in with my Kiara Sky gel polish and just polish the nails so that it would give it that tannish complexion before I added the Khaki Rose, which I'm doing here, and I'm just wiping off the excess that got on my cuticle area. So here you see me doing that again, just pressing it down, doing my lazy girl method. And after every nail, I do cure it for 60 seconds before I move on to the next nail. Now I like to go in with my buffer, and this is just a nail file buffer around the cuticle area just to make sure that any of the excess builder gel that might have spilled out, that I file it away or buff it away. So that is what I'm doing now, just going around my cuticle area, and I also make sure that I reshape the nails so that it is straight as possible. And now I'm just taking my nail buffer and buffing the surface and underneath the nail. So this is how the nails look so far, and I'm getting so excited for the design. So I decided that I would go in with some white hearts for the ring finger and the middle finger, and I'm using this dotting tool just so that it can make it easier. I don't know if you guys have seen other nail artists use this, but it makes it much easier to make that heart. And then after I'm done placing the dots, I go in with my liner brush and just basically attach the lines together and the circles together to form that heart. And now I'm adding some top coat underneath the nails so that there is no tacky layer and that it is as shiny as it can be. Now, guys, sorry for the mess, but I was so indecisive of what I was going to use for rhinestones. So here I am using this tiny rhinestone, but it doesn't have a flat back. It's a pointy back, and I don't know if you can really notice the difference, but in person you can, so that's why I chose that. And I decided that I was going to do 3 red stones in a line and then go around with some tiny rhinestones around that. You'll see what I mean. So this is what I'm doing. I also want to inform you guys that since it is February 1st and Valentine's month, I will be doing all Valentine's sets until February 14th or maybe February, depending on how I feel. But I'm going to be doing a whole lot more videos for you guys and posting a whole lot more. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep posted to my nail sets. So I had also added some rhinestones to the ring finger and the middle finger, and I'm just placing them and making sure that they're in the right place that I want them. And this is the final set, guys. I am so in love. I did leave the thumb plain. I just like the way it look. I am so excited for this set, guys. So pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, and look out for my future sets. Thank you.